Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for joining in today. So today I'm gonna be doing a cheese board. So before putting down the paint, I have already prepared the board with masking tapes on all the underside and everywhere that I didn't want to get any paint on. So for today, I'm not using too many colors, just a few, which are listed at the bottom of your of a video. As you can see, I'm being quite generous with the paint. That's because I really want this board to have a really rich and vibrant color to it. Once I finish swiping, I always let the paint rest for a little bit before I start tilting or spinning. This is because I want to give the paint time for the cells to develop before I do anything to it. Here I'm adding a little bit of paint to the sides and to the corners. This is so that it helps the paint on top to keep sliding down and it doesn't get stuck to the board. So here I'm moving the paint around and tilting it to make sure that all the sides are coated with the paint as well. Once I've finished tilting, I'm now removing some of the tape around the design of the board. This is so that the paint flows down and a little bit and it has a more natural and organic finish to it. So once the paint has dried, I will coat this piece with a layer or two of resin to finish it off. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And you may want to consider subscribing to see more of these videos in the future. Thanks for watching and see you next time.